Sacramento dahil ipipick up namin yung iba naming mga gamit na iniwan ni Austin doon. And then we're gonna go to IKEA to buy dressers dahil medyo mura lang kasi doon. So that's our plan today, and then after namin magpunta sa IKEA muna kami pupunta, and then after that we're gonna go head to Costco para mag-fill up ng gas, and then after that we're gonna be heading to his stepbrother's house para nga i-pick up yung aming ibang luggages at saka yung aming ibang boxes, at para na din makita ang aming mga pamangkin, guys. So it's about 4 hours drive, and we still have about 1 hour and 30 minutes of drive left. So far, it's been going good. And dun pala sa aming bahay sa Texas, it's currently snowing right now. I wish I get to experience it dahil this time is is it like a heavy snow? Not
It's not heavy snow, but it's the winter
It
storm.
stays, right? It stays on the ground.
For this weekend, yeah. Because it's gonna get colder tomorrow.
Yeah, so here's Austin. And we got Dunkin' Donuts, guys, sa gas station or whatever. Yeah, sa gas station. And this one is called Cocoa Cloud Latte. It's so good. So you guys should try this one. And we got some donuts too for breakfast. Dahil umalis kami sa bahay around 7 a.m. So super aga niya. Hindi naman sa super aga, pero wala na kaming time para mag-breakfast sa bahay. Sana hindi kami masyado gabihin today. But dahil, ayun nga, 4 hours drive siya, medyo malayo din. So yeah, today is gonna be long drive for us. Tomorrow is we're just gonna be staying at home. We're gonna be fixing our dressers, and hopefully we get done on unboxing our boxes. Dahil meron pa kaming few boxes doon, which is mostly clothes, at dahil nga wala kaming dressers, ayun, hindi ko pa siya naaayos. For the most part, I think we got everything unpacked so far, and then we're not this weekend, but I think the next coming weekend we're gonna be driving to Phoenix or Tucson, Arizona para i-meet yung kapatid ni Austin dahil we still have some stuffs sa aming garage, guys. So ang dami na namin napagbenta, ang dami na namin napamigay, but then ang dami pa din naming naiwan sa bahay. So we're planning to sell our house instead dahil sa nakikita namin ngayon is parang sa computation namin ni Austin, parang mas better if isal na lang namin yung bahay dahil parang hindi din kami masyado magkaka-profit every month dahil malaki nga din yung mortgage namin, and dun sa amount na marerent namin yung bahay is parang hindi siya worth it para sa amin ni Austin. So we're gonna try to place that in a market as soon as we get all of our stuff out of that house. And yeah, we're hoping to get it like sold super fast, like what happened to our California house, which it's not even a week, right, that we got like offered with our California house. So we're hoping to get this Texas home like sold fast, that para hindi na din kami magbayad ng mortgage, because as of right now we're paying for our rent, which is, I'm gonna share with you guys kung magkano ba ang aming renta dito sa California now that we're back here. And we are actually renting a house. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2 baths, and it's in a good area. Parang nasa new construction homes siya na neighborhood. So it's safe there, right? Yeah. So yeah, we're paying for 2 houses right now. So it's gonna be a lot for us this month, but we're hoping to get our house sold out fast. That way we don't have to pay for another mortgage that we're not living in. We're just gonna update you guys later. Maybe pag nandoon na kami sa IKEA, we'll see, or pag nandoon na kami sa bahay nung kapatid ni Austin. But we're excited to meet the kids again. And so far, it's super nice here in California dahil yung mga mountains is super green niya. Hindi siya dry. dahil nga winter. But yeah, so far we're enjoying this drive. We are in I-5. This is I-5, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye!
And he's like, can you do this? I was like, no. Companies are getting nervous that not enough people are actually using it.
Dito na pala kami sa Sacramento area. We still have 8 minutes left and we're gonna be at IKEA para bumili ng furnitures or drawers para sa aming closet, sa aming TVs, para meron kaming patungan at para meron na din kaming mapaglagyan ng mga aming clothes. So, after this, dahil nag-fill up na kami ng gas sa Love Station, dahil mas mura yung gas doon, it's about $3.40 something. And dito sa Costco, sa Elk Grove area is $3.50 or $3.60. So, mas mahal siya dito. So, nag-fill up na kami ng gas doon sa Loves. And yeah, after that, we're gonna be heading to the kids. We're excited! Almost there. And yun pala, hindi pala nila alam na pupunta kami doon. So, this is gonna be their surprise. This is Sacramento. Look at the mountain. We are here in IKEA. Got meatballs and uy cake. Ito pala guys ang napamili namin. So fancy. Huh? Just got out of IKEA and sadly wala sila nung 6 chest drawers na gusto sana naming bilhin. So ang nabili lang namin is 2 bedside dressers at saka parang shelf siya na ilalagay namin sa aming closet, but wala sila nung pinaka main thing na dapat namin kailangang bilhin. So yeah, we're thinking maybe pupunta kami or either pupunta kami or magpapadeliver na lang kami dahil nakita namin na parang meron silang stock sa Burbank, California, which is about 2 hours away from us. So maybe we're just gonna do that. We'll see. Magtitingin pa kami sa Target or sa Walmart if meron sila nun. It's already 2:30 and ngayon is on the way kami papunta sa stepbrother ni Austin para makita ang mga kids, and then after that we're gonna be heading home or maybe we're gonna go to Ashley's outlet store para magtingin din doon if meron silang dressers na katulad nung sa IKEA. Our view. Yeah. Hi! Giselle's not aware. Why are you there? Hi! Hi!
Good, how you been?
I
Pretty
miss
good, pretty good.
I got some dirty ass hands. I just did an oil change.
This is a
I had a
Girl
cabin
Scout.
paper.
What's Girl Scout?
Because
Hi!
Girl Scout and my sissy's throwing out cookies.
Ah. Oh,
What
I
you
thought that
doing?
was you. That wasn't you.
Awesome. Nice to meet you.
I miss your girl.
you miss her?
Well, can I do it for you? Can I
No, hold on. Hey, say hi first.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, say hi. This is their room. Get invaded. Okay, come here. Smile for me. Who farted?
Me. Did Austin lose a tooth yet?
No, cause we're old. We already lose our teeth, and this is the new ones.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't see you lose teeth.
You don't?
I'll take a picture. I brush your hair.
Yeah, right my hair.
Okay.
I like your teeth. You lose your teeth yet? Giselle, what's that?
What?
What is it?
This.
Oh.
You gave me it.
Yeah.
You like it? What?
You like it?
Yeah, I do. Oh, it has stickers on it.
Oh. Can I have my phone and then I
Yeah.
can take a picture with you too?
No,
Come here,
no,
Aaron.
no. I'm brushing your hair. Okay. Oh, can you curl? Did you bring your curler?
No.
Well, you should curl my hair.
Yeah, next time.
Why you get the face? Well, I wanted you to curl my hair. But can I stand in your trunk? Can I?
Why?
Cause I want to stand. Cause I want to say you can take a picture of me standing.
What is this?
A box. There's a box. We are going to. But I want a ponytail on you.
Okay.
I want to get. What color do you? What color do you want? What color do you want?
Do you have a pink one?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh. We have a nice pink one that you like. So it's this one. No. Nope. I can pick. I want to pick.
Whose clip is that?
Oh, that's mine. Oh, he's the one. Oh my. No. You make a pony. I'll make a high. Do you want a high one?
Yes.
Okay. Can I make Austin hair just brush?
Yeah.
You have a lot of straight hair.
I have a lot of gray hair.
No, a lot of straights, I see.
Oh, straight.
I mean, you look like a granny.
I look like a granny? I look old.
No, I didn't say that. If you have gray hair, you look
Hey, we gave that to you, remember? The unicorn?
Oh, yeah. I loved it.
Yeah.
But can you give me another one?
What do
Okay,
you
Pop.
want?
Okay, Pop. Okay, Pop.
Oh, a K-pop like that?
Brush Austin.
This is my hair by Giselle.
You like it?
Yes. I
Okay,
like it.
let's brush Austin.
Okay.
I just want
The hair makeover by Giselle.
Nice hair. Show Austin.
And Aaron.
Show Austin. Show Austin.
Okay.
Show Austin.
Oh.
Austin, look at Carmela. I made her hair. I made her hair.
And
Look, turn back. Turn back.
I
I
cleared
made
the
her
code.
hair. Austin, look,
Yeah.
I made her hair.
Oh, it looks awesome. Yeah.
That I wanted.
So
Look at
pretty.
mine. I want to brush yours.
Yeah.
Why there's so many orange?
They have an orange tree.
Oh, no fighting.
Can you pick?
Can I pick?
Yeah. You pick the My dad said no.
Why not?
It doesn't.
We ain't gonna go.
direction or go that direction.
Yeah.
And if I jump and run, just slam on the brake.
Yeah.
But
Hi! Do you know we're coming? Oh! That's fine.
Wait, where's Austin? Is Austin
He's
here?
in the bathroom.
I want to sit next to you.
Okay.
he goes, man, like
This is Rapunzel, and she's almost as tall as me now, and she's only 10, and I'm 29. I remember, I think when I first got here,